What do you mean, why? Because if I have to move, where I need that money. That's why.
Next matter, our 130 matter, is Golden Pond Estates versus Travis Millerans and any other occupants, which include Randy Bailey. Mr. Steve Cromendike is here for the plaintiff. I had a little trouble interpreting the pleadings, but Mr. Millerans, they want you to move and terminate your tenancy. That would give you 10 days to move out, 90 days to move or sell your mobile home. They allege some violations, but I can't yet tell what they are because the pleadings weren't very clear. Mr. Cromendike, you wish to speak to that?
Yes. We're waiting on getting some police reports pursuant to a FOIA request and are still waiting on those. And we've been waiting for quite some time. So I don't have those now. It is my understanding that the police have been at the park related to Travis's behavior a number of times recently. In addition to that, I've got a couple of notes here, and Mr. Dave Elliott is present regarding some altercations with Travis and Dave, who was doing some maintenance at the park, threatening, Travis was threatening Dave. I've also got a couple of voicemails to another park manager that were fairly threatening, and some complaints from neighbors as well.
Well, Mr. Millerans, that doesn't sound very good. What's your response?
Threatening me, you mean?
Are you Travis Millerans?
Yeah. Yes, sir, I am.
All right. Well, they want you to move out. What do you think of that?
I'm not moving out nothing. They don't have no reason to kick me out. I didn't do nothing wrong.
But I can't wash it full now. Yes.
Dave is the problem.
Times more cleaning power. Plus, it contains plenty of food.
You are, bud.
Okay.
There is no.
I have been in contact with Meg as well. She just isn't present today.
We have an attorney.
He is on a bench trial right now, so she's not present today.
I spoke to Meg last week.
All right, well, here's what I can tell you from my files, Mr. Cromendike. Mr. Millerans was charged with domestic violence second offense in 2 file 911 SM, pled to disturbing the peace in front of Judge Patterson. Excuse me. And he hasn't paid the fine. Then in the most recent case, 251627, charged with resisting and obstructing a police officer and domestic violence from August of 25. He's on probation from Judge Patterson here at the court. That is file 251627.
They brought it.
He isn't making his payments in that either.
His probation officer told him to pay for his anger management class and everything before he started his paying on his fines.
All right, that probably makes sense. Let me get those numbers again. 251627 FY. And these are just the ones from 25. 25911 SM.
What was that second one? 25911
SM. That was the disturbing the peace. I believe that was at the park.
Okay.
It was between me and Travis.
Yes. And I believe the other one was also at the park.
Yes, between me and Travis,
right.
because my nosy neighbor
Well, apparently they don't want you to be there anymore. They'd like you to move your trailer and go away. The law says you're entitled to have a second hearing in this matter. And you allege that you've contacted Megan Bauer. Which means we're probably going to have a hearing, but let's pick a date, Mr. Kromendijk. Next Monday seems to be good. We're through the Thanksgiving holiday. And
Next Monday, the 8th?
Yes.
It would need to be in the afternoon for me.
2 o'clock. Does that work for you?
That will work.
Continue to December 8th. 225 at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock. May
And I will
get a hearing.
In between now and then, I will send in some of the voicemails I have and other documentation.
All right. All right, Mr. Millerans and Miss Bailey, let me repeat. They want you to move. They want you to take your trailer out of their park and leave. And if they got what they asked for, next week I would give you 10 days from December 11th to move the trailer and 90 days, or 10 days to get out, 90 days to move or sell the mobile home. We may need to actually have a hearing on this before we get to that point. I'll pull the police reports from those other 2 cases that I quoted and see if they happened at the park. At any rate, you stay in contact with legal aid. If they are going to represent you, they'll file an appearance. But we will be back here next Monday by Zoom at 2 o'clock.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I think Meg said she'll be gone on the 8th.
Well, if she's going to file an appearance, she knows what she needs to do.
Oh, okay.
If you are able to...
Go ahead.
If you're able to get copies of those police reports, is there any way that I could get a copy of them as well?
Yes. If they did happen at the park, I will email them to you.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Well, what
All right, thank you.
what are these?
I'll
What
see
are these
you
police
both
reports
next week.
about?
What?
What are these police reports about?
I don't know yet. One was the DV between you and Randy at the park.
That has
Back in
nothing to
August.
do with nothing.
Yeah, the allegations on that paper
That was
involve
against
him
Dave.
and Dave.
But Dave don't like me. That's the only reason why they're trying to get me out of here.
Well, that's one reason, I guess.
Yeah, well, they're gonna have fun because I ain't going nowhere.
Okay, well,
My trailer's too old to be moved. No trailer out
yes,
here
they
can be
generally
moved.
are. You'd have 10 days to move it or so.
Been here for 11 years.
All right, well.
And I also
have fun.
paid my rent today.
Say that again?
They're taking my rent money?
I paid my rent today.
Well, they're not supposed to take your rent once they file a motion to terminate
Well,
your
I've been
tenancy.
paying my rent every month faithfully. I
That
paid
could be an issue, Mr.
$474 last night.
All right, we'll address that.
Yeah, I'll have to take a look at the ledger. It's an online payment system, Your Honor, so I'll have to see.
And if I'm getting evicted, I want my money back.
Why? You're still there. You're paying for rent for time that you're actually there, not future rent. Anyway, we'll address this further next month.
What do you mean why? Because if I have to move, where I need that money. That's why.
Yes. Okay. But you're living there. You've just paid December's rent. Well, we'll address it next week. It'll give me something to look forward to. Thank you.
It's almost $800. I need that.
Okay. I believe you. Now we got a bunch of people in the waiting room. Plus, we just found out we have somebody in custody. We've got our parties here on our general civil matters. And I don't even know who's here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We
Good luck.
started off in a rut because we started out 15 minutes late right off the bat. But let's see. I think I'm going to do McDaniel and that case first. And then, Mr. Elliott, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. These parties have been advised of their rights. As I indicated, we got behind. Where is he? One of our landlords was here by phone only, Mr. Walters, but we're going to deal with this one. This is Dawn McDaniel versus Ashley Suter. This is a termination of tenancy case. Ms. McDaniel wants Ms. Suter to move. Ms. Suter, what's your position?